Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to continue on our conversion of unit of time. But today we are going to convert from day to hour. Before we convert, let's quickly recall the conversion rule. The conversion rule says that when converting from large unit to small unit, you multiply. You multiply by the unit value given to you. And when converting from small unit to large unit, you divide. You divide by the unit value given to you. Let's take this first example. Example 1. Convert 72 days to hour. Now this time around, we are converting from large unit to small units. So we have the day to hour. How many hours make one day? That is 24, so we multiply. Day to hour, we multiply by 24, and hour to day, we divide by what? By 24. Don't forget, 24 hours equals to what? 1 day. So we want to convert from large unit to small unit, so we are multiplying. So we have 72 days times 24. 72 days times 24. So let's take our multiplication. We have 72, 24. 2 times 4, that's 8. 4 times 7, that's going to give us 28. 2 times 2, that's 4. 2 times 7, that's 14. You add up your number, 8. 8 plus 4, that will give us 12. Keep your 1. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 4, that's 7. 1. So our final answer is 1728. Therefore, 72 days equals to 1728 hours. Equals to 1728 hours. Let's take another example. Example 2. Let's convert from 613. Let's convert 613 days to hour. Let's convert 613 days to what? To hour. So we recall that 24 hours equals to what? 1 day. That is, we have our day and we have our what? Hour. When converting from day to what? To hour, you multiply by 24. And when you are converting from hour to day, you divide by what? By 24. This time around, we are converting from day to what? To hour. So we have 613 days times 24. So let's take our multiplication. 3, 24. 4 times 3, that's give us 12. 4 times 1, 4, plus 1, that's 5. 4 times 6, that's 24. 2 times 3, that's 6. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 6, that's 12. So we have up our number. 2, 11. Move your 1 to this place. 1 plus 4, that's 5. 5 plus 2, that's 7. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus nothing, 1. So our final answer is going to be 14,712. Therefore, 613 days equals to 14,712 hours. 14,712 hours. Let's take another conversion. Example 3. Convert 7.12 days to hour. 7.12 days to hour. We recall again, 24 hours equals to what? 1 day. In this case now, we have 7 as our whole number and 12 as our what? As our decimal number. In this case, say 7 days plus 12 hours. 7 days plus 12 hours. Now let's go. We multiply. We want to convert day to hour. So we have 7 days and 12 hours. So we multiply 7 times 24 plus your 12 hours. So let's take 24 times 7. 7 times 4, that will give us 28. You write your 8 to keep your 2. 7 times 2, that's 14 plus this. That will give us 16. So we have 16 days plus this 12 hours that we have. 10, 7, 8, 1. Therefore, 7.12 days. 7.12 days equals to 180 hours. Equals to 180 hours. This is how to convert decimal number to what? To another unit of time given to you. So you don't need to panic, and you can multiply directly. You can multiply directly if you want to, but to make your work easier, just separate the decimal number from the whole number. The decimal number is definitely the unit you have to convert to. Thank you. So now let's convert. Let's convert from hour to day. Before we convert from hour to day, recall the rule that says when converting from small unit to large unit, you divide. You divide by what? You divide by the unit value. Now, our first example says, example 1, convert 72 hours today. Convert 72 hours today. And we recall that 24 hours equals to 1 day. 24 hours equals to 1 day. And when we have day and we have what? Hour. When converting from day to hour, what do you need to do? You multiply by what? By 24. And when converting from hour to what? To day, you divide by what? By 24. That is what the rule says. Now, 72 hours divided by what? By 24. So let's use our long division method. We have 72 and 24. Now, how many times can 24 goes in 72? Let's try 3. 3 times 24. What will it give us? Sorry, let's try 3. 3 times what? 3 times 24 will give us what? So let's say 24 times 3. 3 times 4, that's give us 12. Keep 1. 3 times 2, that's 6 plus 1, that's 7. So we have 72. Definitely 24 can go in 72 3 times. So 3 times 24 will give us what? 72. 72 minus 72 will give us 0. Therefore, 72 hours equals to 3 days. 72 hours equals to what? Equals to 3 days. Let's take another example. Example 2. Convert 60 hours to day. Convert 60 hours to day. Our rule says that when converting from day to hour, we multiply by 24. And when converting from hour to day, we divide by what? By 24. So 60 hours will be divided by what? By 24. Let's take our long division method, 60 and 24. How many times can 24 goes in 60? So we have 24 times 2. 2 times 4, that's 8. 2 times 2, that's 4. So 24 can go in 60 2 times. We subtract 48 from 60. 0 minus 8 is not possible. Borrow 1 from this 6 to this, make it 10. 10 minus 8 is going to give us 2. 5 minus 4, that's 1. So therefore, 60R equals to 2 days, 12 hours. 2 days and 12. So let's take other example. Example 3. Let's convert 754 today. 754 today. Now we recall that 24 hours equals what? 1 day. Definitely, if we are converting from hour to day, what do we need to do? We divide. Divide by what? Divide by 20. Divide by 24. So we have 754 hours divided by what? By 24. Using our long division method, 754, 24. How many times can 24 goes in 75? 3. 24 times 3 is going to give us 72. Let's see, 3 times 4, that will give us 12. Write your 2, keep 1. 7 times 3 times 2, that will give us 6 plus 1, that's 7. So 24 can goes in 75 3 times. So you write your 3, you subtract 7, 2, bring your 4 down, 4, 5 minus 2, that will give us 3 and 0. So 24 can still goes in 34 1 time. 1 times 24, that will give us 24. We subtract 0, 1. So therefore, 754 hours equals to 31 days and 10 hours. 31 days and 10 hours. So this is how to convert from hour to day. See you in our next video. Thank you.